and welcome to winemastery.co.uk. My name is John Lightford and this is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you about wine, hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines, that you will absolutely adore. On this occasion, in this episode, we are talking about a Cabernet Sauvignon. Now, Cabernet Sauvignon is very fruit driven, am I right, John?
You're spot on, John. This is how I always describe it, and obviously, if you've seen these videos before, you'll see or hear that's how I do describe it. Always fruit driven, always jammy. Makes you want to lick your lips after you've had some. It's just got so much going on in there. It's the kind of wine, if you don't know what people like, you can very rarely go wrong with the Cab Sav.
So it's a bit like the Pinot Grigio of the red world, or the white world is Pinot Grigio. This is...
Whatever you said, John, that's exactly...
sort of, anyway. Kind of sort of thing, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, so shall we have a look at the colour? This is available from Sainsbury's. It's from their Taste the Difference range. Okay. So let's see if we can taste the difference.
Let's give it a go, John.
Ooh.
It's a nice colour. It's got that kind of nice garnety, rich...
A little bit of a purple hue to it.
Yeah, it's leaning towards that purple. I mean, there's no purple rim, which is a shame, like that. But yeah. It's going garnety through till purple. Yeah, it's a good colour. Can't knock that. It quite looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. It does look good.
Let's have a go on the old nose.
Okay. Very fruity.
Does it? Yeah. That's
black fruit.
Yeah, me, I'm getting the blackcurrant there. And that's what you would, again, it's jammy.
Yeah. And I guess we associate that with, blackcurrant, is a well-known jam. It's just like strawberry is.
Yeah, it can be quite an obvious. There's a bit of, for me, there's a hint of crushed black pepper in there as well at the end. Which, it's not always there in a Cab Sav. A lot of Shiraz you would find that kind of smell, but no, it's there.
So like a slight spicy sort of edge.
Yeah, definitely it's there.
Okay. Well, should we have a... Oh.
Kind of. Yeah, we should. I think we should taste it, John. That might help just bring a few bits out.
Okay. I was getting really excited then, thinking, oh, this is really lovely. What is that taste? And as soon as I started to think, got to the point of thinking, what is that taste? The tannins flooded in, and the taste just went woof, fell to the floor.
Got you with that spot on. You first came through and like, oh, this is, it's like the initial excitement of it being there, and then so the flavours start trickling, and they're waiting for the next one to come, and then, like you said, it didn't particularly get anywhere, and then suddenly the tannin's like, no, you're not having that. And it is fairly tannin. I mean, food obviously will make a difference to that, but even then, the initial flavour, as nice as it is, you're not really getting much of it. It's hard to get. It's hard to find what's in there without the tannins taking it away from you.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I think that this for me is best summed up by saying if I was buying this by the glass, I would not buy another glass of this.
Yeah.
I want to go on to something else because initially I'm thinking, oh, this is really, really nice, and then as I say, it just falls flat. Which is a real shame because it showed a lot of promise there to begin with, and then poof.
Yeah, it looked good, smelled good. Just didn't come through on the palate as it should. I think it might be different if that had food. It might be different if you had food and that kind of held the tannins back a little bit and let you enjoy some more of the wine. But even then, I wouldn't say it was a powerful, fruity flavour. Otherwise, it would have taken us.
Yeah. No, you're right though. Food. It could bring out stuff. And so if you were sort of talking about, a meaty stew or something meaty.
It needs something. It does need something red meat, and we may as well look at a cheese pairing as well.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go down the line of a blue cheese with it because that'd be a bit too salty on there. So I would look at, I'm sorry, I'm just going through my head now, but something like a Tom de Savoie. That'd be nice. Got it's fruity and earthy. It's that stereotypical French cheese. I reckon that would perhaps definitely take the tannins away. I don't know if it'd improve the wine anymore, but it definitely take the tannins away. Or perhaps an Ogle Shields, the English. What is it? It's an English cheese. But yeah, it's.
And as I say, food-wise, stew.
What's how much is this, Jonathan?
I think this, I can't remember now, but I think it was somewhere around about £8-9 mark.
It's not like you not to remember the price of
I
something.
know, I bought this a long while ago, and when I went to check on the price, they've actually stopped selling it. So at the moment they've run out of stock, so hopefully there will be, well, not necessarily hopeful based on this. Like I say, they'll be refreshing the stock, but yeah.
Mm. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you what you would score this.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with well, I'm teetering on. I'm gonna go 70.
Oh, yeah, I could, yeah. I was 71, so I'm not far off with you. I think price wise, it doesn't matter if it's a well-priced wine if it's not very good. You know, it can be. Yeah. What I'm trying to say, I think 71. Perhaps I was being maybe a tad generous myself. I might thinking, yeah.
But I mean, put another way. Even if it was £5.50, I probably wouldn't buy another bottle of it.
No. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So would you go like I think you said, if you had buying by the glass, would you go for a second glass regardless of if it were £2 and you don't like it, you don't like it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the reason I was going 70, so did I take it down 69? But 70 is like, well, you know, it's not atrocious, you know, it's not something that you think, oh, it's horrible, but yeah, just for my palate anyway, didn't do it for me.
I'm with you, John.
Okay, good. All right, guys. Well, that we didn't really we can't really recommend that one, but again, you may love it. So if you've tried it and you think it's great, let us know. We're pleased. You know, certainly it's all down to what your taste palate tells you is right. So, until the next time, we look forward to seeing you. Oh, you got them. What do you like?
Well, at least I emptied it. No, I'm fine, but thank you.
Until the next time, guys, we'll see you there. Chin chin.
Chin chin.